All right, welcome everybody. Eugene Hughes Motorized chain tensioner. Where does it go on the bike? Let's take a look at the bike right here. Okay, here's your standard good old beach cruiser. Okay, you've got this part here. That is called the seat stay. You do not want to mount your chain tensioner on the seat stay. You want to mount it on the chain stay, and here's the chain stay right there. Why? Why do you not want to mount it on the seat stay? Sometimes you don't have enough room to get this thing in on some applications, just due to the angle of the dangle, the engine, all that, and there's not enough room to put this in here. And I've seen some people mount it on the seat stay. Why is that a bad idea? Well, when you give it gas and you've got the engine pulling all that torque, you don't want it pulling on this wheel here, okay? It's also going to be scrubbing a little bit of power off the engine, but that's negligible. But we're putting all the force of the engine on this one bearing here, okay? And that's a lot to ask. It more than likely will fail, and fail a lot quicker by doing that. So what do you want to do? You want to mount it on the chain stay. If you don't have the ability to get this mounted safely on the chain stay, go with an arch tensioner. I got a link down below. I know a guy who makes them and sells them with a big fat skateboard wheel. Yeah, me. So I hope you found the video helpful, and hey, hopefully it's going to keep you safe. If you like the video, think it's going to help somebody, give me a thumbs up. There's that subscribe notification out there. Hey, ride careful. Those cars are not looking out for you or your safety. Thanks for watching. Bye.